National Weather Service in Caribou, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hancock County in southeast Maine, west central Washington County in southeast Maine, until 3:45 a.m. at 2:54 a.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 27 miles southwest of Grand Lake Stream, or 22 miles east of Old Town, and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Wesley,
This is KEC 93 in Ellsworth, Maine.